Moving on to number 6, defense tactic against hostile takeover is what we call Pac-Man defense. Now, those of you who watch me videos, you have a clue of Pac-Man defense. Now, Pac-Man defense is an aggressive tactic that involves the target company attempting to acquire the hostile acquirer, where the hostile company makes an attempt to acquire a target. In response, the target company also attempts to acquire it. Now, instead of simply defending against the hostile acquirer, here the target company turns the tables and attempts to acquire the hostile company itself. And I say there is a video game known as Pac-Man, because the target company essentially tries to eat its attacker. In the Pac-Man video, the target company, it's a similarity here, the target company tries to eat its attacker. Do you understand? Straightforward defense here. When the target company is facing a threat, instead of just defending itself against using these other tactics, it also makes an attempt to acquire the hostile takeover, the hostile acquirer. That's the Pac-Man defense.